I definitely want to be an actress. Only my dad. And then he said, "Don't touch my hair." So just like the MV Foundation supports children, the Telugu DMF supports influencers. And I think this is a great way for both to come together.
Hi, Sitara.
Hi.
I have a question regarding, your personality. So, other day I have seen you gifting bicycles to orphans, and I have seen you have become an brand ambassador to one of the jewelry something. So, our first check though, you have done so much through charity. So, I just wanted to ask, చాలా మందిని బయట చూస్తుంటాం, and it's a usual thing that people say, గొప్పవారి కడుపులో గొప్పవారే పుడతారని. So Mahesh Babu Garu and your mom, we have seen doing so much, heart operation, something like that. So Miku, inta chinna age lo, no matter your parents being that strong and whatever it is, but నీకు ఎప్పుడు ఆ థాట్ వచ్చింది దట్ ఐ వాంటెడ్ టు హెల్ప్ పీపుల్ అని చెప్పేసి ఎట్ దిస్ ఏజ్ దట్ టు
Yes. I really wanted to help kids get education because I think it's really important for a kid to have education and books, especially because I love reading. I love getting more knowledge, and I feel like every kid needs that.
Hello, Sitara.
Hi! You're
How are
so
you?
cute!
Thank you. What's your favorite book or movie and why?
I love Clueless. It was a 2000s rom com, and me and my mom we watch a lot of these movies together. So we, it's like a nice comfort bonding moment for us.
సో చాలా మంది యంగ్ ఇన్ఫ్లుయెన్సర్స్ కి మీరు ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ గా ఉన్నారు కదా సో వాళ్ళకి మీరు మీ నుంచి ఒక సజెషన్ ఏం చెప్తారు
One thing I would say is that be open minded and don't be afraid to get out of your comfort zone.
సో యాక్చువల్గా మీరు సోషల్ మీడియాలో కూడా చాలా యాక్టివ్గా ఉంటారు కదా సో హౌ కెన్ యూ బ్యాలెన్స్ స్టడీస్ ఇంకా సోషల్ మీడియాని ఎలా బ్యాలెన్స్ చేస్తారు
So every time I get home, first I finish all my homework and then I'll see maybe if I can make a few reels, one or two.
ఓకే హలో సితారా హవ్ యూ
I'm good. How are you?
ఐఎమ్ ఫైన్ సో ఇఫ్ యూ వాంట్ టు ప్లే యువర్ డాడ్స్ రోల్ ఆన్ ద స్క్రీన్ సో మీరు ఏది చూస్ చేసుకుంటారు అండ్ ఎందుకు
Uh, I'd love to play Sita Rama Raju from Kaleja.
వావ్
మీ సీక్రెట్ బ్యూటీకి సీక్రెట్ ఏంటి
My parents.
నైస్ నైస్
మీ డాడీ యాక్ట్ చేసిన మూవీస్లో మీకు ఏదైనా నచ్చని మూవీ ఉందా అండ్ ఎందుకు
అన్నీ నచ్చుతాయి.
అండ్ ఎవరు స్ట్రిక్ట్ మమ్మీయా డాడీయా
ఎవరు స్ట్రిక్ట్లీ
ఎవరు లేరా
ఎవరు లేరు.
వి ఆల్ నో దట్ యు ఆర్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ టు మెనీ యంగ్ గర్ల్స్ యు ఆర్ అ స్టైల్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ ఆల్సో
Thank you.
సో హూ ఈస్ యువర్ స్టైల్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్
My mom. She's really stylish. And probably Julia Roberts as well.
ఓకే థ్యాంక్ యూ
సో ఐ జస్ట్ వాంట్ టు నో వాట్ ఈస్ యువర్ గో టు అవుట్ఫిట్ లెట్స్ సే ఇఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఎ క్యాజువల్ డే అవుట్
Probably sweatpants and a hoodie. I'm very basic.
So my question is nowadays young kids are coming as influencers so do you think this is good or is there any particular age limit for that
Not at all. I think it's really good that we have young influencers because many young kids set the example for many other young kids. So I think it's really important that we have influencers of all ages.
one thing I forgot you're really very gorgeous today
Thank you.
and thank you so much
All of you are so beautiful.
విచ్ కొరియోగ్రఫర్ డూ యూ లైక్
Choreographer, I love all my dance teachers. Annie ma'am, Mahati akka and Aruna garu.
ఓకే అండ్ మీరు క్లాసికల్ చేస్తే నాకు చూడాలని ఒక చిన్న రిక్వెస్ట్ అనమాట
నేను already చేసా.
సో ఇంకా కొత్తగా చేయాలని
చేస్తా. Definitely.
థ్యాంక్ యూ
Of course.
సితారా గారు మీ ఫేవరెట్ ఫుడ్ ఏంటి
Maggi noodles.
ఇట్స్ మ్యాగీ నూడిల్స్
Maggi noodles.
what's your favorite way to spend time with your family
My favorite way to spend time with my family is we play cards, we watch movies, we chat, we gossip. It's the best time when I'm with my family.
Also, I have one more question. So, being a girl, being mom and dad in movie industry, or they have already a celeb status. But if I ask you one question, what you wanted to become in life, like you wanted to enter into movie industry or else you wanted to be something else?
I definitely want to be an actress. I really like acting, and when I did PMJ and when I did Penny, the music video, it was very fun. I had a great time on set, but I'm still young and I'm still considering many different things. So
You will definitely one day, and God bless you, and
Thank
you're
you.
truly our inspiration in person.
Thank you so much.
Did your parents give any advice on anything, and if they have given so, how did it impact in your life?
Okay, so one thing my parents always told me was to go out of my comfort zone, and it was very scary at first, but then I did, and it really helped me a lot. Like, you don't see results immediately, but it really, really helps.
Thank you so much.
And I have a question for you. What is your inspiration to make content?
My inspiration is like I wanted to become a dancer because I love dancing, and I learned that from my mother because she's a normal like Bharatanatyam dancer. So from her, I got that inspiration, and I am teaching to my sister also.
Oh, so cute.
Thank you.
So nice.
గౌతమ్తో మీ రిలేషన్ ఎలా ఉంటుంది అండ్ మీరు కొట్టుకుంటారా ఎప్పుడైనా ఫైటింగ్?
Of course we fight. He's my brother. He's very annoying, but I love him a lot.
So, being an young influencer, how do you manage online safety and security issues? Like,
My parents always handle that. They make sure everything I access is always safe. And it's also really important to not, like, I think this is for all young children, to never access anything that says adult content or never click on it.
if at all you're using mobile and you're on some social media and you're using it for some time, if you found something, harassing or scary, something which is threatening you, what would be the step that you take first so that will help lot of kids who are sitting here? So if at all you're observing something, someone is threatening you or else, using any harsh words which hurts you a lot. So at that point, how do you manage it? Do you go to mom, your dad? How do you inform them? How do you openly talk about the scenarios that you face, if at all, for example?
So first, of course, I would tell them, and then I would report it and block the person or comment.
If you could collaborate with anyone on social media project, who would it be and why?
So I've already collabed with one person, I think. Her name was Anastasia Russo, and it was a really fun time, and I would love to collaborate with many other young influencers. I think it would be such a fun time.
What's the one Gen Z lingo you use regularly?
There was these many edits about me and my brother saying that we mocked people, and that basically means that we look really good. So me and my brother, we made a post. The caption was called Mega Max, and many people made edits about us on that. So yeah.
ఓకే, ఎప్పుడైనా గౌతమ్ మిమ్మల్ని ఏదైనా వర్క్ చేస్తే రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేశాడా, ఇది చేయొద్దు అని?
If it's unsafe, then yeah, chapperu.
అంటే బ్రదర్ ఎక్కువ రిస్ట్రిక్ట్ చేస్తారు కదా, గౌతమ్ కూడా అలానే ఉంటారా?
He's more of a kid than I am. I'm surprised he's older than me.
చిన్నప్పటి నుంచి ఇప్పటి వరకు ఉన్న మీకు బెస్ట్ స్వీట్ మెమొరీ ఏంటి?
Sweet memory is when we went to Italy recently, because it was just the four of us, me, my brother, and my dad, and we had the best time.
So Sitara, do your brother rules you like no idi cheyali, like no idi cheyakuddu?
No.
No.
He annoys me.
Do you ever felt నేను అన్నయ్య కన్నా పెద్దగా ఉంటే బాగుండు?
I think it's already happening, because I'm surprised, like I said, I'm surprised he's older than me, because
Okay.
he's such
Yeah,
a kid.
thank you.
Hi, Sitara.
Hi.
So, apart from your mom and dad, who is your favorite actor?
I love Rashmika Mandana and Srilila.
What about actor?
Only my dad.
Oh, I love that answer. Do you like putting on makeup? And if so, which brand would you prefer?
So I'm not allowed that much makeup. Like, even if I do wear makeup, the most I wear is lip gloss and blush. But me and my mom, I wear all my mom's makeup. So my mom mostly gets her makeup from Dior. I think, I really don't know. Whatever my mom uses, I use.
రీసెంట్గా ఒక వీడియో బాగా వైరల్ అయింది. ఒక ఈవెంట్కి వెళ్తున్నారు మీరు మీ డాడీతో. మీ అత్తగారు అనుకుంటా హెయిర్ ఇలా పట్టుకుంటారు అని మీ డాడీ చాలా అంటే సిగ్గుపడతారు. ఏం జరిగింది అక్కడ? కాన్వర్సేషన్ ఏమైంది చెప్పగలరా?
జుట్టు పట్టుకున్నారు. And then he said, "Don't touch my hair." So, yeah, he's very, he doesn't like people touching his hair. That's why I constantly try to touch his hair. Because he has nice hair.
యూజువల్లీ నేను ఇందాక మీ స్టైల్ ఇన్స్పిరేషన్ గురించి అడిగా కదా. ఐ సీ అ కొరియన్ టచ్ ఇన్ యువర్ డ్రెస్సింగ్. సో డూ యూ ఫాలో ఎనీ కొరియన్ డ్రామాస్ ఆర్ ఆర్ యూ ఫ్యాన్ ఫర్ ఇట్?
No, I'm not. I really want to, but I'm not. Sadly, I'm not. But I watch a lot of 2000s rom-coms and all.
ఓకే, దెన్ వాట్ అబౌట్ యానిమీ?
I don't watch anime.
నో, నాట్ అట్ ఆల్.
I don't watch anime.
ఏదైనా రీల్ చేయాలనుకుంటే మీరు ఏదైనా తెలుగు సూపర్ హిట్ సాంగ్ చూస్ చేసుకుంటారా, లేకపోతే ఏదైనా మరాఠీ సాంగ్ అని ఏదైనా బాలీవుడ్ హాలీవుడ్ సాంగ్ చూస్ చేస్తారా?
Marathi is my mother tongue and Telugu is my home language.
ఫ్యూ వర్డ్స్ ఇన్ మరాఠీ.
Tu kashi hai?
मैं शानू छानू.
Nice Marathi.
Thank you.
How are you looking at this collaboration, Mahesh Babu Foundation and Telugu DMF Federation? Last time they have helped memers and many others, and we have seen Mahesh Babu Foundation has been helping, heart patients, literally kids actually. So individually we have seen these charity things, but now you both came for a collaboration together. How are you looking at it? How do you feel about it?
So just like the MB Foundation supports children, the Telugu DMF supports influencers, and I think this is a great way for both to come together.
Thank you for considering creators and influencers out there, because usually we don't get considered in any of the part. Now recently we are coming into the limelight actually. Thank you for considering that, and me and many people out there would like to thank Mahesh Babu Garu. That foundation, I have seen many articles and I have been following ever since they have started. So lot of hearts are just beating because of this foundation. Thank you so much for that. And behalf of creators and influencers, thank you so much for considering us and giving us this opportunity with you.
Thank you guys so much for spending time with me. It was so much fun.
Thank you.
హాయ్ సీతారా అక్క, మీరేం చదువుకున్నారో తెలుసుకోవచ్చా?
నేను 6th క్లాస్ చదువుతున్నా, ఇప్పుడు 7th కి వెళ్తా. నువ్వు ఏం క్లాస్ లో ఉన్నావు?
యూకేజీ.
Mini influencer.
If you wanted to steal one quality from mom, dad and brother, what would it be? Like one quality from each.
From my mom, I'd like to take her fashion sense, because every time I don't know what to wear, she's the first person I go to. And from my dad, I would like to steal his acting skills, because he's a great actor. And for my brother, how he manages to annoy me so much. I would love to do that someday.
So that lot of brothers and sisters over here can relate to it. You are, truly inspiration to many. Not only now, in future, I think we will see you, wherever we go, you'll inspire many girls out there. And thanks for that. Thank you.
Thank you.